question number 6, one table is given that probability of a student that obtain less than 20% in mathematics test. Okay. Okay. So we have to solve this question. Just follow that. Follow the table that marks 0 to 10, 0 to 20, 7 students are there. 20 to 30, 10 students are there. 30 to 40, 10 students are there. 40 to 50, 20 students are there. 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 20 students are there. 60 to 70, 15 students are there, and 70 and above, that is, sir, total is not given, we always to do find it. Okay, yes. So a total 90 students, just add it, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 8, you will get 90. Okay, so total number of students on NESA, okay, 90. So just add it, number of students, you add it. Okay. Now question number 1, find the probability that a students obtain less than 20%, okay, in mathematics test. First of all, yes, 90, very good. Protoy, sir, in the chapter will come. Okay, that student just that is 15.1, 15 or 14 exercise 9 maths. Exercise 15.1, question number 6. Okay, so total number of students, 90. Okay, now just follow that table, you will get, follow the table that 20 less than 20 marks, 7 students have. So what is the probability of getting number whose students obtain less than 20% in 7? So probability that student obtain less than 20%. So probability getting less than 20% marks, that is total number of students, that is in the denominator, and how many students who get less than 20, that is 7. So 7 by 20 is the answer. 7 by 20 is the answer. Okay, so very good, all of you have answered, that is Riddhita, Raima, Prottoy, Sohelika, Onnesa, and some students are still typing, and other students, 18 students, more than Raima. Okay, anyone else? And next question, find the probability of that student obtain 60% or above marks. Okay, 60% or above marks. Okay, two conditions. Next one we have to add it. Yes. So one question, students, that 60% and above it. Okay, just watch it. 15. If anyone get 55, so I can take him or her in that group, because 75 is also more than 60. So more than 60% or 60 or 60 above, in 60 to 70, that is 15, and 70 and above 8. So total number of students who got more than 60% marks, that is 15 plus 8. Got it? Got it, everyone? So number of students, question number 2, of getting that marks 60 or above 60. So how many students get 60 or above 60? How many students get 60 and above 60? Tell me quickly. 23. So in the denominator, as usual, the possible case is 90 and favorable case 23. Okay, 23 by 90. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Now one question from me. Tell me quickly. I want to check who are the first 5 students who can answer. Okay, who are the first 5 students who can answer my question? Find the probability of a student obtain marks between 40 to 50. Find the probability of getting students marks between 40 to 50. First 5 students, quickly. Probability, Firdaus Rahman. Okay, 1 students have answered. 2 students have answered. 3rd Raima, 4th Neha, and 5th. Who is that 5th? Yes. Okay, quickly. Sohalika, quickly. Trisa, okay. So those who have written 20 by 90, 5th is Neha. Okay. So first 5 and Vivek is very much okay. First Riddhita, 2nd Protoy, 3rd Raima, 4th Sneha. 1, 2, 3. 4th Sneha and Sangam is 5th. Okay. Next question from related to that question. I want to see that first 10 students, and all of you should have answered. Those who are not answering, that is Aisa Khatun. Aisa, your answer I have not seen here. Where is your answer? Aisa. Raj Singh, your answer also I have not seen here. Swastika Mondal. Swastika, try to answer. Vivek Chel and Pooja, Santunu, Sneha, try to answer. Next question, an easy question. I hope, because in this question that I have is 40 to 50. How many students got 40 to 50? That is 20 students. So 20 by number of total students, that is 2 by 9. It's very much easy question. Next question for you. Try to answer. How many students got marks between 60 to 70? Quickly. I want to see first 5 students. Who are the first 5? So 60 to 70. And by simplest form. Okay, 1 student, very good. Riddhita, your position is snatched by anyone. Okay. Sohalika, Trisa, Ritika, Vivek, Annesa. Okay, Santunu, Raima. Okay. How many answer I have got? That first Firdausi Rahman, 2nd Sangam. Sangam is now in 2nd position. Very good, Sangam. Well done. Protoy 3rd, Riddhita 4th, Pooja 5th, Sneha 6th, Sneha 6th, Raima, Santunu, Annesa, Vivek, Ritika, Trisa, Sohalika. Okay. Yes, in the simplest form, first answered by Riddhita. It is good. And other student that Shubham Kumar. Shubham, why you are not answering? Shubham, can you hear me?